The Locations module will help you accurately establish the exact business locations for your digital loyalty cards. In addition, configure these locations to send automated geopush notifications within a range of 330 feet, 100 meters. Geopush messages are currently available for iOS only. After logging in successfully, you should go to the menu on the left-hand side. Click on the Locations icon from the list of displayed modules. This action will bring you to the Locations screen. These are the locations where you have added your business and where the geopush notifications are being set. You can easily activate or deactivate a location by using the convenient toggle button located beside it. To add a new location, simply click on the Add Location button. It provides a comprehensive list of fields where you can input the location details and geopush message to be stored. A comprehensive list of fields will be provided for recording the location details and geopush message. Enter the name of the location in the Location Name field. Start entering the address of the location in the designated field, marked as Location Address. As you type, the suggestions automatically appear. Utilize the map pin to precisely establish the specific location on the map. Choose the cards with which you would like to link this location and geopush notification by utilizing the Apply to Cards section. Let's select a restaurant card as an example. Provide the geopush message by entering it into the push message text box. Ensure that the push notification is concise, yet captures the essence, while also being prominently displayed on the preview. All users within a specific radius of the location and applicable cards receive this push notification. After recording the details, simply click the Add button. Once you click the Add button, the location will be displayed in the list. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Stay motivated, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next video, where we'll explore more exciting features and strategies to level up your business. Take care and see you soon.